Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Ryan. Thanks for tuning in.
Today's episode is something we've all experienced: starting a new job and not knowing who to ask for help.
Yeah, that moment when you need something simple, but everyone seems busy and slightly unavailable.
Exactly. Today we're focusing on how to ask for a favor politely, especially in a workplace setting.
And honestly, using the right phrases doesn't just help you get answers, it helps you build better relationships.
All right, let's step into today's situation. Hi, sorry to bother you. My name is Lauren. I just started today. Could I ask you for a favor?
Hey Lauren, welcome aboard. I'd really like to help, but I'm getting ready for an important meeting right now.
Oh, okay. Thanks anyway. Excuse me, do you have a second?
I wish I could help, but I'm about to meet a client. Maybe you can ask Jake. He's right over there.
Hi, Jake. Sorry to interrupt. Could you do me a quick favor?
I'm finishing a report that's due in a few minutes. I really can't talk right now. Sorry about that.
Wow, I just wanted to know where the restroom is. Nothing complicated.
Yeah, I genuinely feel bad for her. That's frustrating.
I know, right? And honestly, situations like this happen all the time.
You know, this reminds me of my first job.
Really? What happened?
I didn't know how to ask for help properly. I'd just say, hey, help me with this.
Straight to the point. Maybe a bit too direct.
Exactly. And people didn't respond well. Not because they were unfriendly, but because I sounded demanding.
That's such an important point. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it and how it feels to the other person.
Right. Even something small like, sorry to bother you, softens everything.
Exactly. It shows respect, and people naturally respond better to that.
It's interesting how just a few words can completely change the outcome.
Let's look at a more relaxed situation with a friend. Hey, I hate to bother you, but could you help me move this weekend?
I'd love to help, but honestly, this weekend is really packed for me.
Yeah, I get that. Weekends can get busy.
Let me think. I might not be free the whole day, but I could help for an hour in the morning.
That would actually help a lot. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course. Happy to help where I can.
Let's break down some key phrases. First, welcome aboard. It simply means welcome to the team.
Next, I'm about to, which means something is going to happen very soon.
Then, instead, meaning in place of something else.
And interrupt, when you stop someone while they're busy.
Let's go deeper for a moment. When you say, "Can I ask you a favor?" you're preparing the other person.
It gives them space to respond instead of putting pressure on them.
And, "Could you help me out real quick?" sounds lighter, more friendly.
That word quick makes a big difference. It reduces resistance.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me, slowly. "Can I ask you a favor?"
Good.
Yeah, that sounded natural. Try it again, just a bit smoother. "Can I ask you a favor?"
Nice. That's exactly what we want. Now try this. Could you help me out real quick?
Keep it relaxed. Don't overthink it.
Now a polite opener. Sorry to bother you.
Good. Now combine everything. "Sorry to bother you. Could you help me out real quick?"
That sounded great. Keep practicing that.
Now think about your own life, maybe at work, school, or with friends.
Ask yourself, how do you usually ask for help?
And how could you improve it using these phrases?
Small changes in language can create big changes in communication and even relationships.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
So try using these phrases even today.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English Talk. We really appreciate you being here.
And if you found this helpful, take one phrase and use it today.
Because small improvements lead to big results.
Until next time, keep learning